Hospitals can sometimes feel cold and impersonal for patients. To improve this experience, artificial intelligence is now learning to read human emotions. Medical teams are using Affective AI systems for monitoring patient expressions and voice tones, helping doctors provide more comforting and personalized care. Hello everyone, and welcome to the ENTECH magazine's news digest for week 3 of March 2026. I'm Dayur, excited to share 10 amazing stories from the world of science and technology this week.
Next, charging millions of electric cars simultaneously can easily overload the power grid. To prevent blackouts, engineers created an artificial intelligence system that manages energy distribution. This smart system directs electricity exactly to where it is needed most, keeping the grid stable for everyone.
Treating genetic diseases requires highly precise biological tools. A new gene editing technology has just been introduced this year. Biologists developed a method that cuts and repairs DNA with much greater accuracy than older systems, offering hope of safely curing inherited conditions.
Watching objects move through space gives us clues about our solar system. Astronomers recently watched a comet suddenly break apart. The Hubble Space Telescope captured detailed images of the icy body splitting into multiple pieces, shocking the scientific community and providing rare astronomical data.
Throwing away old electronics creates massive amounts of toxic pollution. To solve this recycling problem, engineers built automated robotic systems. These robots use computer vision to carefully disassemble old devices, safely extracting valuable metals for reuse and keeping dangerous waste out of local landfills.
Responding to natural disasters quickly saves lives. Emergency workers are now deploying a new artificial intelligence disaster relief system. By analyzing satellite images instantly, the software pinpoints exactly where rescue teams should go first, speeding up the entire recovery process for affected cities.
Managing large agricultural plantations is incredibly difficult from the ground. Farmers are now flying drones equipped with deep learning software over their land. Scientists program this artificial intelligence to detect and count individual palm trees automatically. This can help farmers track tree health easily.
Producing enough protein for medical treatments is often a slow and expensive process. Medical researchers recently found a way to trick cells into making much more protein than usual. By altering the chemical signals inside the cell, they boosted production rates significantly, making medicines more affordable.
Keeping water filters and medical equipment clean is a constant battle against germs. Materials scientists designed a special carbon material that physically traps harmful bacteria. The unique structure of this carbon surface catches the microbes and prevents them from multiplying, keeping environments sterile.
Finally, certain fungal infections are becoming resistant to standard treatments. Public health officials are warning about a dangerous fungus spreading in hospitals. Medical researchers are working rapidly to understand how it spreads, to develop new medicines to protect vulnerable patients from severe illness.
That wraps up another exciting week in science and technology. Please visit entechoonline.com to read the full articles. Like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell so you don't miss future science content. Don't forget to share it with friends who love science. Which story excited you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching.